69. I will talk about the last days of Ariel. Na we were so lucky to be with him, a handful of us. But on January 14, reunion po ng batch 65 and 69. We celebrated it at Shira's place. So we're about more than 20. And very memorable and very happy yung group. We had pictures, we had parlor games, we had singing, we had live band. And then after that, whole day kami doon, halos 11 to 6 p.m. After that, birthday niya, sabi niya, so come to the house, January 15. So a handful of us, Rowena, Lita, De Vera, Ike, and the Saints. Sa labas sila, yung mga girls inside. There was karaoke singing, and then very happy, very accommodating siya. Nung dumating ako, agad-agad, what do you want to eat? Kasi there are lots of food. And then, sabi niya ulit, meron na naman magpadaan ng one day, and then punta na naman kami sa residence ni Ike for the Saints. Nag-invite si Ike, kasama kami Ariel, Rowena Basbas, Lita De Vera, ako, si Loida, and then pumunta kami sa Mang Pipings. Doon, that was already January 17, doon, na siya, in pain siya, pero sabi namin kung gusto na niyang umuwi, no, ayaw niya maging killjoy siya sa grupo. So, tinitiis lang niya yung pain, but we're willing to go kung talagang papayag siya. So, after January 17 na naman, balik ako sa 15, kasi nakalimutan ko ito. Nung 15 pala, nung natapos, kami yung huling umalis, the girls, wala na yung mga the Saints. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, kasi ang bahay namin is just stone throw away, malapit lang doon sa residence ng mga Arisa. Sabi niya, ihatid kita o ipahatid kita. No, don't bother, sabi ko. Kasi itong si Miss Loida, yung delivery ng food ng anak niya, which is a garong, if you know what garong is, most of the time, delivery ng baboy yun. But for that purpose, pang sa kitchenette ng anak ni Loida season yun. So, imagine us, 5, sumakay kami sa garong, 5 kami na girls, para umuwi sa aming mga respective houses. So, he was so amused with us, kasi sport kami, imagine, siksikan kami doon sa garong, So, that was January 15. 17 nga, sabi ko, magpipix kami, masakit na yun dyan. So, pagbaba niya, kasi idediretso pa yung delivery sa akin ni Ike De Vera, sabi pa niya sa amin, I love you. I love you. By the way, nung January 15 pa pala, nung present yung cake sa kanya, sabi niya, in my life, this is the first time that I'll blow a cake, di ba? Sabi niya dito. Sabi niya sa amin. So, ito yung memories namin sa kanya. We cannot forget the words that he said to us. I love you sa amin. Hindi naman namin alam na. Yun na, we had the last picture with him. Yun yung narinig namin last word from him. Although he's already in. So, sabi pa niya, meron na naman tayo gathering on the 23rd. But doon sa People's Night, nabalitaan na namin na he passed away already. So, to Ariel, marami akong memory sa kanya. Actually, nag-work ako sa munisipyo. Hindi ko na kailangan bumisit sa house. Dadalhin na niya yung pasalubong ko. So, attest to what Abing had said, na talagang siya sa mga friends niya, maalalahanin siya. So, he brings my pasalubong in the munisipyo always. In fact, may isa pa akong perfume doon na pag nakikita ko, naaalala ko siya kasi he gave that to me. So, yun po yung last memories namin with Ariel. We're lucky na we were with him. He's so generous to us. Sobrang napakabait po. So, to Ariel, you may be out of sight, but you will always be in our hearts. So, may your soul rest in peace. Salamat po.